In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can change formation on Fantasy Premier League. Now this will work on both mobile and desktop, so it doesn't actually matter what device you're on, we're still going to be able to get this to work. So the first thing you want to do is be on the Fantasy Premier League website or app, and you just want to go ahead and log into your account. So when you are logged in, you can head over to pick team, and if you haven't picked a team already, you just want to go ahead and pick your team first. Now as you can see when looking around this part of the site, there's no actual option to change your formation on Fantasy Premier League. However, don't worry, there is still a way, so let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly how we can do that right now. So you first want to just scroll down to where your team is, and since there isn't actually a way to change your formation, so the way to actually do it is to move your players about. So as you can see, I've got 4 midfielders. Let's just say I wanted to get rid of one of them. What I would do is go down to my bench down here, and I'll choose someone who's not a midfielder to replace them. So let's just say this one here, Henry the defender. We can click on him, and then we can select switch. And as you can see, we can actually choose any of these. It doesn't limit us to only picking defenders. So let's just say we wanted to get rid of March here, this midfielder. We would choose to swap this defender for the midfielder. And because it's a defender and defenders can't play in midfield, it will actually just get rid of this player. So if we do it with March here and we switch, as you can see, he's now gone and he's now on my bench. And as you can see, we can just keep changing these things around until we get it exactly how we like it. If we decide we wanted to get rid of another defender and add back in the midfielder, we can do that simply by doing the same exact thing. And now our formation's changed again. So it's a bit tricky to get this done. Unfortunately, they don't actually have an official formation button where you can choose an actual formation, which is a bit stupid really. I'm not sure why they don't have that, but let's hope they do actually add it in the future. So hopefully you now know how to change formation on FPL. If you do, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.